folks, I have a tenor instrument to show you today. This is a stock instrument I just put together for June, and it turned out really nice. It's a tenor ukulele. The back and sides are some beautiful koa. I got this from our friend Bart's sawmill on Oahu, and the reason I was able to get it is because it has little tiny knots in it. Little knots that guitar makers didn't want, but I don't mind, obviously. And then the top is Bearclaw spruce. This is old growth salvage Bearclaw spruce from up in Alaska. And the Bearclaw means these cool figures, the patterning in the wood there. It's got a maple and mahogany neck. It's got a koa fretboard. And then I have a Brazilian cherry bridge that matches the koa fretboard well. And then the fretboard, or sorry, the head plate, pick guard, heel cap, and end graft are all a mosaic I made. So what I do for that is I just make a big sheet of mosaic with all the pieces I like, and then I cut what I need out of it. And it's walnut, maple, koa. That's it, right? Walnut, maple, and koa. My head's not working today. Walnut, maple, and koa. And then there's walnut binding on here, walnut binding on the body, and then a little tiny thin maple line underneath everything. Yeah, so there's a lot going on. It's a really fun project to put together. I really like the color palette of it. And, you know, spruce top with koa back and sides is really nice. Yeah, it sounds huge. So, yeah, it's got a K&K pickup in it. It's got fluorocarbon strings with a wound 4th low G, geared tuners, bone, nut, and saddle, radius fretboard, and it's a stock instrument, so it's going to be up on the website as soon as possible. So it's number 808. Oh, that's cool. That's like the Hawaii area code, right? Good thing I did koa for 808. I didn't think about that till right now. Pretty cool. Cheers.